Hi, my name is Marine. I'm a piano teacher for online rock lessons. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play 3 amazing blues grooves at the piano. Before we start, if you haven't done it already, make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button just below. I also added a link in the description so you can access a bunch of free courses. So make sure that you check it out. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be teaching you the grooves in C major. But obviously, you need to be able to transpose them in any key. Alright, so the first one sounds just like this. Alright, so let's see what is going on over there. So we're going to be using the note of the C major chord. It's C, E, and G, and the left hand, C and G. So let's look at the left hand first. So we're gonna be playing C and G together. These are gonna be 8 notes. And we're gonna go to the 6th of C, which is A. So we have 1 and 2 and 3. And we go back to the C here. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So this is for the left hand. Don't forget to add a little bit of shuffle feel right here. Now for the right hand, we're going to be using a C major chord, but we're also going to use the F major chord here. That is an inversion. So we have C major and F. And what we're going to be playing is broken chords. So we start from E and G of the C major chord. And we go to F and A and C on the bottom. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And these are also 8 notes. Let's take a look at both hands. So we play everything together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Now for the second groove, it sounds just like this. So this groove is very similar to the first one, but we're gonna go all the way up to the 7th chord here. So we need to use a G and B flat to have our C7 chord. So let's take a look at it. 1 and 2 and 3 right here. The left hand stay the same and the right hand is gonna go play G and B flat. And we go back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Just like that. Alright, and now for the last groove for today, it goes like this. Alright, so for this one, the left hand stayed the same, we play the same groove. Now, let's look at the right hand. This is where the fun happens. So, the right hand is going to start just like the other one, with the 3rd and the 5th of C major. Going to C, and then moving to the 4th and the 6th of C, which is an F major chord also, back to C. And here, this is where the fun happens because we're going to have a triplet. And we're going to play F and A, going to C and down here. So it's the 4th and the 6th note of the chord, going to the 1 and to the 1 an octave lower. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1. So the whole thing goes like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. Now with the left hand. Alright, so there you go. If you like this video, make sure you watch my video on blues licks so you can use them in your solos.